Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. And if it is your first time here, welcome. Happy to have you. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and join the family, honey. So I'm gonna be making breakfast. Well, my daughter is making breakfast. Shamoya is making breakfast, and we're both on she's on a healthy journey and I'm on a weight loss journey, but basically we're eating the same thing, just that I'm adding more stuff to my diet. But anyways, typically the breakfast is the same. So she's gonna make the breakfast and I'm gonna record it, and we're gonna show you what I would eat or what we eat to help with the weight loss. Okay, for those of you who don't know, my name is Tamika. Hello, hi honey, welcome. So I had a baby Elijah 6 months ago. Literally today is 6 months old. So as you know, like the baby weight gain, you gain weight, blah blah blah. So I'm currently weighing 195 and our goal is to get to 170. So, and I'm giving myself a 1 month window to do so. I know that's a lot of work, but I believe we can do it. I can get it done. So we're gonna see. Even if I don't get to 170, but somewhere close at the end of the month, I'll be happy. So that's the goal. So let's jump right into breakfast and let's not waste your time no more, honey. Let's go. So here we're using 3 eggs, salt and black pepper, broccoli. I know that broccoli is strange, but yeah, broccoli. You have a jalapeno pepper, some bacon bits. You know bacon is good with everything, honey. Onions or bell peppers, sweet peppers, and of course spinach. Oh, and we're going to use some cherry tomato, but I did forget to show it to you. And then right here you have your turkey bacon, baby. 75% less fat. Perfect, hey? So right here she's cracking 2 eggs. She's gonna use 3 eggs, but this is her way of doing her thing, okay? So she used 2 eggs for the base basically, and after she put it in and it all starts to cook, she put the single egg, beat the single egg and put it on top, because she said the other day when she did it, she realized that it has too little egg. So that's her way of doing it, honey. So ain't fighting her. Now she's prepping her peppers and her onion and all of that. Dough. Look how pretty that is, and we're not done with our ingredients. Now she's adding her onion. Dough. And the spinach. I'm chopping up the spinach real fine. Our cherry tomatoes. Pretty that is. That's so pretty, y'all. Oh my god. And trust me, it tastes even better. And now for the weird ingredient, the broccoli. I know that a lot of people is gonna be like, what? But trust me, you should try it. It's so good. It's really good. Remember that broccoli doesn't take any time to steam, and you can even eat broccoli raw. So therefore it's just a great addition. And if you want it to steam to perfection, when you put it in your egg, all you have to do is cover it for a couple minutes or a couple seconds. Just cover it and it will steam. But honestly, I love it in it and I don't have any problem with it. I'm a broccoli lover, and now she's adding her bacon bits. And that is actual pork bacon bits. Look at that. Yum yum. Not even done yet, and we're using extra virgin olive oil. And we're just gonna grease the pan with that and pour it in. And there you go, look at that. So colorful, you see the colors popping, so pretty. So this is where everything went sideways. We had a problem flipping it because, you know, we ain't no professional chef over here. So Flipping it to get the other side to cook was a hassle. As you can see, it's not perfect anymore, but it's still pretty. I promise you it's edible. I promise you it's still edible. And now she's doing our turkey bacon. See how perfect those bacons look? Oh my god. I promise you those bacons are like everything. You should try it. Turkey bacon, less fat, and it tastes so good. And there we show you the eggs again. Not perfect looking, but it's great. Tastes good. Bacon's coming along nicely, ain't it? Look at that. Ooh, yum yum. See, that is looking so good. And that's a complete breakfast, honey. Weight loss breakfast, okay? And I'm gonna have this with some mint green tea, because you know, and in my tea I want to put like 1 spoon of sugar, because of course I'm not gonna drink just plain water, but you want to limit your sugar intake. So guys, there you go. Simple, cute, very cute. And to be honest, the turkey bacon is my first time trying it, and it is so much better, in my opinion. It is so much better than pork bacon. I kid you not. You should try it, and it's much healthier. As I showed you, it's 75% less fat, and it tastes better, and it's so thick. It's just, I just love it. But yeah, and as you can see, the omelet is super colorful, super pretty, and super healthy. So that's the breakfast. Remember to like the video, honey, and subscribe if it's your first time here. Subscribe so that you don't miss a thing. Make sure you hit that notification bell so that you're notified the next time I upload a new video. Okay, and I'll see you in the next one.